Did you know that Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world? And it's incredibly easy to install on your computer? Are you stuck in the installation of Python on your computer? You have came to the right place. In this video, you'll learn how to install Python on your Windows in just a few simple steps. We'll walk through the installation process step by step, covering how to download Python, run the installer, and verify that it's set up correctly on your system. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Python website at python.org. Once you are there, find the download section. You'll see a button for the latest version of Python for Windows. Go ahead and click that. Now, you'll see the download start. It shouldn't take too long. Once it's done, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. When you run it, make sure to check the box that says, Add Python to Path, before you click Install. This is super important for making sure your system recognizes Python when you want to run it. After that, just follow the prompts until you see the finish screen. Voila! Python is now installed on your machine. But wait, we're not done just yet. Watch closely as I demonstrate the final steps of verifying your installation. Open up your command prompt by searching for cmd in the Start menu. Once that's open, type in Python version and hit enter. If everything went smoothly, you should see the version number of Python that you installed. This means it's correctly set up on your system, and you are ready to start coding. To recap, we covered the entire installation process, and by following these steps, you are now ready to start coding in Python. You've tackled the challenge of installation, and now you can dive into your programming journey with confidence. If you found this video helpful, check out my other tutorials on Python programming, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Happy coding, everyone!